Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to the Gear Kit channel. Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever wondered about the intricate process involved in manufacturing everyday items? Today, we invite you on a captivating journey as we delve into the fascinating world of factory production. From pressure cookers and non-stick pans to scissors and razor blades, let's uncover the secrets behind their creation. Let's start our adventure by exploring the art of crafting scissors. Picture this. The process begins with the meticulous preparation of the scissors' handles. These handles are carefully cast from brass metal, replicating their shape in molds filled with clay. In another mold, the reverse side shape is also copied. The two molds are then combined, forming a box. Molten brass metal is poured into these boxes, which are then left to cool. Once cooled, the boxes are opened and the handles are separated from the clay. The next step involves attaching these brass metal handles to the carbon steel blade. Through the use of a drill machine, the handles and blades are joined, creating a hole for the nail to secure them together. The blades undergo a continuous hammering process to sharpen their edges and achieve the perfect shape. To strengthen their blades further, they undergo a post-drilling heating process. A grading machine is utilized to sharpen their edges, while the handles receive a finishing touch from another specialized machine. Finally, the two parts of the blade are connected with a nut and voila! The scissors are now complete and ready for use. Now, let's shift our focus to the captivating process of manufacturing non-stick pans. Imagine a round aluminum sheet being carefully placed under a hydraulic press, gradually taking the shape of a pan. These pans come in various types, some plain and flat, while others have a deep structure. To create a smooth surface with a captivating shine, the pans undergo a meticulous smoothing process using specialized machinery. Next, holes are made on the pan's edges using a drill machine to facilitate the attachment of the handle. The rotating machine is employed to paint the pans evenly using a spray machine. Once painted, they are passed through a heating chamber on the conveyor belt, allowing the paint to adhere firmly to the surface. To add an artistic touch, 2 or 3 lines are made from the sides using another rotating machine. After the handles are securely attached to the pre-drilled holes, the pans are meticulously packed and sent to market, ready to enhance the culinary experience. Next, our journey starts with a round aluminum sheet placed under a hydraulic press, transforming it into the shape of a cooker. This cooker-shaped pot undergoes high-speed rotation and rubbing within a specialized machine, removing excess aluminum and refining its shape. To ensure the lid fits perfectly, the edges are cut into a special design using a cutting press machine. Next, the pots are placed on a drill machine, and holes are drilled to the attachment of the handle. They then undergo a strengthening process by immersing them in a boiling liquid infused with a special chemical. Subsequently, they are cooled in water before being tied together and dipped in another chemical for a specific period. Once removed, the pots are thoroughly washed and dried, revealing a stunning luster. Now, let's turn our attention to the lids of these pressure cookers. Like the pots, the lids are also made from aluminum sheets, following a similar process. Their edges are shaped accordingly using specialized machinery and cut into the same design as the vessel to ensure a perfect fit. Whistles and other parts are attached to these pots, followed by a secure attachment of handles using automated machines. Finally, rubber rings are attached to the lids, ensuring airtight sealing. After meticulous sealing and checking, the pressure cookers are packed into boxes, eagerly awaiting their journey to the market. It's truly remarkable how these functional and essential kitchen companions come to life through a series of precise manufacturing steps. Now, let's explore the captivating process of creating razor blades. To achieve the sharpness and durability we rely on, a sheet of stainless steel takes center stage. The steel sheet passes through a punching machine, where the middle portion is cut and removed, forming the shape of the blade. The newly formed blade enters a high-temperature furnace, where it undergoes a heating process at a scorching 1000 degrees Celsius. Once heated, it is then swiftly cooled in a dedicated chamber. This thermal treatment enhances the blade's hardness and strength. Next, the blade undergoes shaping at its edges and receives a personalized touch as company information, such as the name, is printed on it. Through a series of grinding machines, the edges are sharpened to perfection. As the blade moves through the polishing process, those sharp edges receive a flawless finish. Using a cutting machine, individual blades are carefully cut from the stainless steel strip. To extend their lifespan, these blades undergo a coating process with materials like Teflon and chromium. This coating not only enhances durability, but also provides a smooth shaving experience. To ensure the utmost quality, the blades are meticulously examined under a blue light, where their edges are checked for precision. Samples are taken to assess their hardness and sharpness, guaranteeing the highest standards are met. Once the quality control process is complete, the blades are efficiently packed by automated machinery, ready to be shipped to eager customers who rely on them for a clean and precise shave. As we conclude our journey, we hope you've gained newfound appreciation for the intricate craftsmanship behind these everyday items. With that said, thanks for joining us on this captivating exploration of factory manufacturing. Remember to like this video and share it with friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.